Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you were still not seeing 24H2 on Windows 11, you might have been in a block that's been actually the hold has been there for 6 months. And it has to do if you're using third-party customizing tool for Windows, including mostly any third-party software that customizes your wallpaper on your screen. So some of you, of course, use these third-party apps to have beautiful wallpapers of all sorts. And apparently they were actually crashing 24H2 or creating problems. Some of the apps would stop working or not work well. So Microsoft had put a hold on these third-party apps for upgrading from 23H2 to 24H2. Now that hold is gone for most of the different software or apps that do this, but Microsoft does say you have to update your apps. So if you are using a third-party tool to customize your wallpaper, make sure that you check out for an update to that app. And once that is applied and you restart your PC on 23H2, when you go to your Windows updates and check for updates, you should actually see 24H2 now being offered to you, which that means you will now be fine and be able to move on to 24H2 if you wish. There's still, by the way, a lot of people on 23H2 that don't see 24H2, which just don't worry about it. We're in April. It goes all the way up to October. So you still have several months before, getting close to the end of support of 23H2. So at some point it will show up. There are still some blockers available that actually prevent you from moving on to 24H2. So don't worry too much about it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.